Colorize filter can be found here on the filters, color, and colorize. So colorize filter remaps the black to a new color and white to a new color. For example, we have this circle here with a fill of white. If we turn on the colorize filter, you will notice that the filter changed the fill of our circle to this new color. Now, let's change the fill of our circle to a gradient. I now have a shape with a gradient fill. The topmost part is white and the lowest part is black. Let's turn on the colorize filter. You can see that the black remaps to black again, and the widest part is this light brown. How about if we change the color of this black and this white to another color? Then let's change the colors. I want my black to become blue. Okay, I want it to become blue. Then my white to a green. Let's turn on the color filter now. So as you can see, the first filter remap black to blue, so it changed to blue. Then remap white to green. The remap black to does not mean it will just change the color black to another color. It means that all dark shades on your layer or on your shape will be remapped to another color. Same thing with the remap white to. It doesn't mean it should be white for it to change the color. If your color has a lighter shade, this remap white to will change the color of that lighter color. For example, let's add one more color in our gradient. I'm gonna change the interpolation of the colors. Okay, now we have 3 colors on our shape. Let's turn on again the colorize filter. So you can see that the remap black to change the color of the red color because this red color has a darker shade, and the cyan and this color has been affected by the remap white too. Next is the intensity. So this intensity is the strength of level of color of this filter. So if you adjust this, you can notice the change of the color of the shape. I personally just leave it to 1. Then lastly, mix is the turn on, turn off the filter. I also leave that in the default settings 100%. So thank you for your time, and I hope you quite understand how to use this colorize filter in Apple Motion.